Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to print ledger confirmation in Tally Prime. First, open Tally Prime and ensure you are at the gateway of Tally. From there, you will need to access the Display More Reports section. This is your starting point for generating various financial statements and reports within the software. We'll then proceed to the Statement of Accounts to find the specific ledger confirmation option. Once you are in the Statement of Accounts menu, look for and select Confirmation of Accounts. This is the specific report type we need. Next, you'll be prompted to define the period for which you want the confirmation. You can set a custom date range or choose a predefined one. Finally, select the particular ledger account for which you wish to print the confirmation. After selecting your ledger, press the F12 key to access the configuration options for printing. Here, you can customize various settings to ensure your report is exactly as needed. Make sure to enable Show Party Contact Details to include all relevant information on the confirmation. Once your settings are finalized, simply click the Print button to generate your ledger confirmation document. Before finalizing, always take a moment to carefully review the printed ledger confirmation for any discrepancies or errors. Accuracy is crucial for financial documents. You can also save the document as a PDF for your digital records, ensuring easy access and secure storage. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. This helps keep your kitchen organized and your meals fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.